Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool middle right here, and basically what this is an earwax removal tool that actually comes with a camera inside. So that way when you guys want to remove like your earwax inside, you can actually look on your phone and see everything that's inside ear and clean it correctly. And yes, I know that might be disgusting for some of you guys. So just a fair warning to let you guys know right now that it might be disgusting when you guys see it later on. But this is basically what the product looks like in terms of the package right here. And we see inside right here is from this band right here. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is what it looks like inside. So they basically provide you guys the user manual to teach you guys how to set a product and how to use it. And in the back right here, they do give you guys the app option. So you definitely want to download the app if you guys want to use the video camera option so you can see everything inside your ear. But you see in the bottom right here, this is basically what the product looks like. Let's take everything out. So right here, we have the actual product right here. And right here, they provide you guys the cable you guys want to use to actually recharge the product, which is USB to micro USB. So basically when you guys are ready to use the product, you guys want to take it out just like that. And see in the bottom right there, that is basically where to plug in the cable to recharge it. So when you guys are ready to use the product, basically what I'm going to do is take off this part right here. And once you guys take it out, you guys can see how the light pops on right here. And when you guys are done using it, you guys want to close it up like that. And it actually turns off by itself like that. And in terms of all the different heads that's actually provided for you guys, it's inside right here. So when you guys open it up, if you can see inside right here, those are all the different heads that's provided for you guys. So definitely have more than enough to use for different situations. So for this part right here, they mentioned how you guys can use it for your nose, your mouth, and even for your ears. So if you guys want to use certain one for your nose or for your mouth, you definitely can. But mainly this product right here is designed for you guys to remove your earwax. But basically the way how you guys use the product, you just want to take one of these out right here. So let's say I want to take out this one right here. I want to open this part right here and just stick it inside right here. So once you guys stick inside right there, you can start using inside your ear. But like I mentioned, if you guys want to see like the video or the camera inside right here, when you guys are removing your earwax, you definitely want to download the app first. So I'm actually do that first. So here is basically what the app is called. So you basically want to download this first. Alright, so we just finished downloading the app. So the way how you guys pair it, you guys want to open up this part here first. And you basically want to connect it onto the Wi-Fi on here first. Alright, so we got connected. Eventually we actually move this around. You can definitely see it actually does work. But basically on the app right here, you can see there's a lot of functionality that's on here. So you definitely have the zoom option on here. You guys can take a picture on here. We can definitely record stuff on here as well. Alright, so let's test it out and see how it works. Fair warning for those of you guys who think it's pretty disgusting. Alright. So you see the inside right here is really dirty. So there is a lot of stuff I need to take out from my ear. But you definitely see everything inside my ear right here. So that way I can use this to remove all your earwax. You can see there's a lot of stuff inside right there. And if you guys look at the image quality on here, it's actually pretty high quality. They mention how it's a 1080p quality when you guys use the product right here. And having the 1080p quality on here is actually really helpful so that way you can see everything really clearly when you guys are using it to like clean up your ear. So like I mentioned, when you guys are done using the product, you basically want to take off this part right here and put that on the lid. And you probably want to wash this before you guys put it back into the actual container. So I'll put this on one side for now. And when we're done using it, close it back up like this. And then it's basically all set. So in terms of the battery life that's on here, it gives you guys a maximum of 2 hours of usage on here when you guys fully charge it. So that is definitely more than enough time for you guys to use it how you guys want to. So like I mentioned, whether it's want to use it for like your nose, your mouth, or even for your ear, you can definitely use it in any of those situations. And also for the top part right here, they have this slot right here. I'm not sure what that is for, but I'm assuming you have to put one of the heads inside right here for storage if you guys want to. You can see how you guys can take it out like that. And it's definitely very spacious inside as well. And when it's done, you can probably seal it up like this. So I'm assuming that is what it's for, but I'm not 100% sure. But now let's plug in the cable to show you guys how to charge it first and how to know when it's charging. Alright, so I got my cable right here. I want to plug in the bottom part right here. So I don't see any indicator right here to show you guys when it's charging. So I'm assuming I can just leave it charging for roughly an hour or so to let it fully charge. But that is basically how you guys recharge the power right here, if you can see. Pretty simple. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for some kind of earwax removal tool that has like the light option built in. And also have the option how you can actually use the camera option inside. So that way you can see everything inside ear. So that way you guys know whether or not your ear is clean after you guys remove the earwax inside. So if you guys are trying to look for an earwax removal tool that has everything that's included right here. And also if you guys like the design of the product as well, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.